Happy Mardi Gras, everybody.
Welcome to Universal
Orlando Resort.
We hear that a lot.
I know. Guys, it is our first trip back to Universal Studios Orlando this year.
It's Mardi Gras. We wore our shirts from last year.
We did.
If you're new, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Hopefully you like us enough to stay with us. Join our fan bam. Subscribe, share with your family and friends.
If you do subscribe, hit that bell notification. We do try to post every Tuesday and Thursday. We might sprinkle in a couple videos here and there, but that's our goal. It's Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Yeah.
But it is Mardi Gras.
We're excited to show you guys what they have and what's new, especially for
what?
The food.
Oh yeah. Well, this year they're doing something different. They're actually doing
Flavors of Carnival.
I had to look.
International Flavors of Carnival.
Yeah. So it's gonna be really cool because it's not going to be doing a float or anything. So I wonder if they're going to do beads still.
I don't know, but
We'll see.
I want to see the tribute store so bad.
Oh my goodness, they outdid themselves with Beetlejuice. Let's see if it does better. But
yeah.
Guys, we really hope you enjoy this video. Alright guys, so this is this month's annual pass holder button and pin, or button and magnet. Kind of like it.
It's cool. Look at what it says.
Beignets. Hey. I like it.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
I really like this one.
We missed last month's, but it's alright. It's Mardi Gras time. So we just made it through, and we come across our first float, and it's a pirate ship. Arrgh.
All right, Brian, what'd you get?
You got the waffle from Belgium,
Looks good.
and then you get fries. There's fries also, and it comes in 3 different sauces. I'm not even going to try to say it. So we stopped over here in Jamaica, over here by where the Fear Show used to be, and they have jerk chicken.
Bobsled team.
It looks delicious.
The Jamaican bobsled team.
We just watched that movie.
I know. Okay, see if it's good. It's cool how they put the flags in it.
I know. You guys, okay, you can't smell it on camera, but
It smells good.
It smells like it's just wafting over here. It smells delicious. Not gonna like it.
That's good.
Oh yeah, it's Jamaican jerk.
Spicy?
Oh. It's sweet, and then all of a sudden the spice hits ya. It's bad.
So fried. Tell our family, is it spicy?
For me, I'm struggling.
You got some sweat beads going on.
It's authentic jerk chicken. It is hot. It is hot. It's not like
It's hot and spicy.
it's like not like Bahama Breeze. It's not dumbed down for Americans. This is the authentic.
Look at that. I don't know if you guys can
Dumbed down for Americans.
What did you ask if they have any what?
They should serve this with milk.
With the little bottles you get at school?
Yeah. Like a little carton of milk. Let's put you on the hot spot. How was the Belgium waffles?
Watchel. The waffle is really good. It was super, super sweet. So it was good.
And the 3 sides. So, which part was the sweet part?
Chocolate syrup.
And it was fresh strawberries.
It was good. Like it was a real Belgium waffle, not like the ones you get at the store.
And this was real jerk chicken. Holy crap.
Hi guys!
Hi.
Happy Mardi Gras. I love your shirts.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming out and visiting.
Like me.
This whole thing. Stop it.
In the back of your head, I know.
Wow, guys. This is amazing.
Oh, it's like a hotel. No, I want to see.
Holy cow. Words can't express. So here are the shirts. They are $27 and they say they're not the same at all. So every shirt is unique. That's cool. And they have customized phones that you can get. That's pretty cool. Whoa, look at that. That's cool. So, this company here, Magic Candle Company, oh, you can't see it. They have a different scents that you can order. They even have for Disney and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty cool. But this place is amazing. It's amazing how they can do all this. Because just a couple of weeks ago, it was Christmas. And a couple weeks after that was Halloween. This is so cool. Oh, this is the UOAP pass holder shirt. It's a black shirt. And in the front it says Mardi Gras International. It's pretty cool.
So 25.
It's $25 plus your annual pass discount of 15%. Alright, going to the next room. This is incredible. And honestly, guys, it's coming out better on camera.
There's beads on the tree. There's so much cool.
Guys, this is turning out better than I imagined. This is so cool. So this is kind of like the Graveyard New Orleans. It's pretty awesome. And you can get a skull for $6.
I wonder if it says
And it is coming out better on camera than it is in our eyes.
Look at my weird but really pretty purse.
And you can actually buy some beads. These shirts are pretty awesome. His treasure and her pirate. Aww. Whoa, look at these coffee cups. I like how it's pirate themed.
So cool. They really did awesome. Like this is super cool. I'm glad they keep the tribute store like open year round now, it seems like.
I know.
Oh my god.
Wait for the big reveal. It's a pirate ship! Holy cow. Holy cow. $6 for a pirate ship in wax. That's pretty awesome. They really did outdo themselves this year. And another big reveal. We're going in. It looks like we're under sea. Under the sea. Holy cow. Holy. Guys, this is amazing. This is where they have all the food. The food looks amazing.
They have a praline cookie.
They even have a Mardi Gras macaroon.
Macaroon.
Oh my goodness, guys. This is amazing. They even have a vegan brownie skull. This is crazy. Sadly, as we leave, we come out to this, and this is just as awesome as well. It's not Mardi Gras without some beignets. So we have a friend who can eat these without ever getting a spot of powdered sugar on her.
But look how messy we are.
This is incredible. But they are good. They are tasty. They're light. They're good. In case you missed it, in the tribute store. Anyway, just in case they didn't come out good, they have different items here. But look at the way it's decorated. Pretty stinking awesome. I still think the tribute store outdid it.
They really did awesome. Oh, look at the crew call.
So we're leaving the park and it decides that it wants to rain. So
we're doing it in the car.
First things first, tribute store, amazing.
It was really, really, really good and in a great way.
I thought Christmas was awesome. I thought Halloween Horror Nights was awesome. This is the best one.
So far, yeah. It's detailed, and then you recognize the props from different things as well, which is really cool.
Yeah.
That's when you know you've been here a lot, but that's why we're pass holders.
Right. I mean, I think my favorite was the ship. And I have to say that I think the other one I thought was under like a shipwreck. It wasn't. I think it's the bayou, the swamp area type thing. So sorry I misspoke there. But either way, it was awesome. The food, great.
It was really good. Some of the things were cheap. Some were a little bit more expensive.
Right.
But that's what you expect. If you get the lanyard, that's probably would be the best bet.
And we didn't check the prices on that either. But I think we spent $40 for the jerk chicken,
the waffle,
the fries, and the beignets.
And a drink.
And the drink. The beignets were really good.
They were really, really good and messy, of course.
Yeah. But we did good. We didn't get all over ourselves. So that's thumbs up for us. No, but honestly, guys, this was... It's cool. I mean, it stinks that because of COVID-19, we can't have the floats and get pelted with beads. But all in all, it was still great. Amber did get a bead.
Yeah, we were filming and having fun. They were still throwing out beads, which was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they were throwing out beads. Of course, you still got to social distance. A lot of people weren't because they got too excited. So keep that in mind if that's something you want to do or not want to do.
I think there's really a total of 4 floats
that we saw. We could make another trip back, which I really want to do because I love Mardi Gras here and HHN. Like, it's just really cool.
Yeah. But they did, like I said, they had 4 floats, and then periodically they have people that come up and they say hi, they wave at you, and then they throw beads at you. The main stage over there by Rip Ride Rocket.
Yeah, they were playing
music, and then when they weren't playing music, they actually threw beads out. So, of course, they had a bum rush of kids going up there because they got excited. But that's cool. I mean, I think that's
fun.
Cool.
It was definitely fun. They were playing the Mardi Gras music throughout the park.
Yeah, I mean,
so it kind of went for it, and a lot of people were dressed up for it.
Yeah.
So all in all, it was a really cool experience, and I want to come back for sure.
So sorry for the long outro, guys. We were really excited. We just want to give you guys as much information too. But definitely hit this place up. This is amazing. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for supporting our channel and watching the video. And don't forget to like.
Welcome to our fan bam.
Yeah. But guys, thank you again, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.